Hey guys, welcome to Natural Living DRX, and this is Dr. Pooja, and today's video I'm gonna tell you the acupressure points for height increase or to grow taller. So I already made 3 videos of this topic which are highly appreciated by you guys, and many of you got success to extension in your height. So I'm really thankful, and in this video I'm just telling you some more points which are really helpful to increase your height, which are existing on your foot area. In the earlier videos I told you on your hand points, but now in this video I'm gonna tell you some acupressure point for height increase in your foot area. And also I have done one meditation of the height increase. If you haven't checked those videos, you can go to my acupressure playlist and you can find all those height increase video on my playlist. So without wasting time, let's start a video. But before starting, if you are new in my channel, please subscribe it, and you can also follow me on my social media, Instagram and Facebook. So let's start it. So your first point would be on your foot area, on your thumb. So we assume the thumb as in face in acupressure. Like this is your face we are assuming, and height increasing is actually a game of pituitary gland, because the HGH hormones are coming from the pituitary gland. So if we activated the pituitary gland, so those whoever height are stuck and who won't be able to increase much, so those points will help you to grow taller and to increase your height. So first point is at your thumb area. Like suppose these are your eyes. So at the between of your eyes, this is the point right here. That is your forehead. So we need to pressure on this area, like this point, like this, by this shimmy, like this. You need to pumping pressure have to give it. Just press it for 30 seconds, hold and release. Just like it, you have to repeat this process at least 5 to 10 times. Press it, hold and release. And this point is bilateral. It existed in both of your foot. So press it, hold and release. After this prop, you can do stimulation of this point by this AccuDoctor machine. If you don't have, I'll give a link on the pin comment or the description area. You can order this machine by that. You can also press it by pencil and the back of the pen, but by this you can stimulate this point little better, because it's harder to get height. If you're a teenage, it will be easier. You can press this point, will be get good height extensions. But if you're like after 25, after 22 or this kind of age category, it will be hard. So it will be good if you are using this kind of machine. But still there is a success. I'm not talking about everybody, but some of them definitely get success to extension of their height. So you have to use this acupressure machine and you have to turn it on, and the sensation will be number 2. Then you need to turn it on, like see it started and flickering. So you need to press this point which I told you at the forehead, which is the, and then you need to press it harder, and as in you have little pain, but just bear it and release. Then press it, hold and release. And you can just for a while you just put this stimulation, and for a while just keep on stimulating, keep on and then release. So this is the first point for height increase. So now I'm going to tell you the second point. Second point will be existing on your middle finger, this on your toe, this, and this will be overall like a ring, like you have I mark it by the black marker. This is the point, like this existing on your first joint of this finger, this at the first joint. So then you need to take a acupressure roller like this. You can roll it on this point, all over by the bottom, all over by the side, all over, just for a few seconds, and release. You can also put fenugreek seed stripe on this point, so that this point can be toned very nicely. So you can see I made a fenugreek seed line like this, and then you have to take a doctor's tape, the surgical tape, paper tape. Then you have to put this tape on this methi seeds, the fenugreek seeds like this, and you can have all these seeds on this tape. See that, like this. So now we have to apply this fenugreek seed stripe on this circular point where what we mark by the marker. So we need to take the middle finger up little and just apply the tape very nicely, exactly on the line what I draw, like this. You need to press it very nicely so that this tape will stick. And if you need more tape, you can put it around it so that this tape will be stick. At least you need to put this tape for at least 4 to 6 hours. You can also put this tape at the night time or either at the daytime, whatever suits you. You can give pressure in every hour so that these points will get stimulated and you will get good pressure, and so that these points will send energy to the pituitary gland, and pituitary gland will release more human growth hormones. Okay, so this is the point. And now I'm going to tell you the third point. As you see, I already draw it. I'll tell you again. At the ring finger, this at the toe, this point, the second finger from the pinky finger right here. So this is the edge just underneath of your nail. This is the point. This is the third point. You can also pressure by the AccuDoctor machine, what I show you like this. You can just turn on. Stimulation is on number 2. Now you can give a pressure right here, press it, stimulate it at least for a few seconds, like 10 to 30 seconds, and release. Again press it, just give a pumping pressure, hold it and release. Again you need to repeat this process at least 5 to 6 times and release. So this is the way you need to give pressure. If you want, you can also put a ball magnet on this point. The yellow side should be touch on the skin side, and the white side should be at the top area and the tape area. So the yellow side should be touch on the skin like this. You can see that. I'm gonna round the tape at your finger like this. If it's not sticking, you can take some more tape and you just need to apply it right here. So this is the way you need to apply this thing. You can also put a seed or any magnet. You can take a black pepper or any, if you don't have the bowl magnets. If you wanted to buy, I'll give a link of all these tools on my description and pin comment. You can buy from there. If you don't have, meanwhile, you can use these kind of lentil seeds and the fenugreek seeds so that you can apply on the paper tape, and you can put, if you want, you can put similarly the black pepper instead of the magnet, and you can put on these points, on this point. And these points are situated in both the legs, not a single leg. These are the bilateral points. So I hope if you press these points at least for a month and so, because this is a little hard process. Height gaining after the age, it's a little hard process. So you need to be a little patient. And if you press these points at least, month and so, at least I have heard that the people who are practicing it, they will be getting good result in 6 months. So if you keep practicing, you will definitely get a good result. Hope you like my video. So these were the points for the height increasing. So I hope you like my video, and you can also, if you have any comment, you can just put your query or comment on the comment box. I'll definitely try to reply you guys. And if you like it, please like and share with your friends and family and whoever the needy one. Stay tuned, stay healthy, take care guys.